Alright, let's go through this question 11, 2018. So, a magnetic field is created using two bar magnet. So, two charged vertical plates are placed near the magnet as shown. So, we have this charged oil moving in a horizontal straight line at a constant speed in the air between the two plates. So, which equation about the magnitude of the forces acting on the charged oil drop must be correct? Okay, so for this, assuming that, let's just say that I have an oil drop, and this oil drop, let's just say, is positively charged. So means you will actually experience a electric force in this direction because the negative plate is going to attract the positive charge oil drop. Then what about the magnetic force? Because there's magnet, so means you must use your Fleming left hand rule. So for example, Fleming left hand rule, index finger point in this direction, then the middle finger point in the direction of the motion. So you will realize that your thumb, which is indicating the magnetic force, is acting in the upward direction. So this is your magnetic force. So which is you know, I mean, doesn't really tell us the the answer, right? So means that the answer, if you look at this, right, the thing is actually moving horizontally, not moving up, not moving down, right? Means that the weight, so for example, there's a weight component, is actually equal to the magnetic force. This is confirmed true lah. So that's why the answer for this, right, should be D. So we cannot prove C because C apparently electric force and magnetic force, they are perpendicular to each other. So I cannot say, oh, the magnetic force is equal to the electric force. So that's not true. And of course, A is also not the answer because air resistance is always acting opposite to the direction of motion. So for example, this is a positive charge. So it's moving here. So let's just say, oh, the positive charge is moving in this direction. So there is a G force, the gravitational force, right, in this direction. However, right, the air resistance is acting in this direction. So I also cannot prove that, oh, it's always the same. Then of course for B, also not the same because air resistance is in this direction. Then the magnetic force is in the upward direction. So this is wrong as well. Then C, C also same thing. So C, the electric force is towards the right hand side. The magnetic force is upward. So this is also wrong. So the best option will be D. So you can see D, the gravitational force, is equal to the magnetic force because you are not moving up down. So yeah, so that's how we do this question.